Hi everyone, welcome you all again in the live session. And in today's live session, we are again going to make the application. So as you all know that whenever we are talking about application, we need to follow four-step process. One, what we are actually going to make. Second, what is the design part of the application because it attracts too much for the users. Third, what will be the code part, and the fourth last part, you need to test your application, is it working fine or not. I hope you liked the last application and it was very basic. So I'm going to share my screen and I'll let you know where you can make the application. As you all know last time that
And in today's live session,
we made the colorful button application, right? And in that button application, we had a lot of buttons. And when you click on the buttons, then these buttons are going to change their colors, different colors. Even you can do modification with the media, like you can go to media and you can have many other things like text to speech, right? So you can move this text to speech over here and you can, okay, so we had text to speech already. Okay, that's fine. So you will come to the project section. First, you will open MIT App Inventor. Okay, it looks like that. You will go to project section. If you don't know, there is a previous live session. You can go and check how to open. Otherwise, it's very easy. The website link is given over here, MIT App Inventor edu. Okay, so you will go to start new project because we want to start a new project, and today we are going to make mood ringer app. What mood ringer app is? Actually, what happens sometime that we are not able to express our feelings. Suppose I'm feeling sad today, or I'm feeling happy today, or what happens is that I give some uh, like I told you some program. Many of you may like that program, many of you may not like that program, many of you feeling not well, some of you feeling angry, some of you feeling happy. So if there is a party, you can simply have the application. You can rotate your mobile phone to all of them, and then you can see that how many of your audience is happy, how many of your audience is sad, how many of your audience is angry. Okay, so this is how uh, we are going to make. So first thing, we will do the very basic arrangement of making this application. We are going to take a label onto the screen, and the width of this label, I'll make it as fill parent, and the text I'm going to write is okay, I will write something interesting. So let's see your mood today. Okay, so this you're going to write, and I'm going to make this font as 25, and this should be bold, and the background color I'll make it as this one, and the height also I will give this. So I'm giving height as suppose 100 pixel. No, 100 is very much actually. I'm making it as 50 pixel. I think it's fine. Okay. Anything else that we can see over here? Okay. No, that's cool. What next is? The next part is we will take a layout and I will take horizontal arrangement. The width I'll do as fill parent, and the height I will do as 100 pixels. And The same thing I will do, like I will make three horizontal arrangement. So I took three horizontal arrangement and I will set the width and height. So the height I will set 100 pixels for all, and width I will set as fill parent. Again, if I come over here, the height is 100 pixels and the width will be fill parent. Okay. After setting up the height and width, what next thing? The next thing is I will take buttons. So I'll take one button, two button and three button. Now you all know I'll rename this button as happy, and the second button I will rename it as sad, and the third button I'll click on rename and make it as angry. So I need to resize my buttons. So I will go to height. So the height and width I will make as 100 for the button. So height is 100 and the width is 100 for me. The same thing I will do. So you need to click on the particular component and you will go to the particular property if you wish to make any changes. Like if I do the changes with said, I am on said, and these are the properties that's for the set button only. Okay. So I'm making it 100. And then for the angry also, I do the same, that is 100, and width, that is 100. Okay. Now, whatever is written onto the button, I will just remove it. This one also, and this one also. So I'm going to pick the picture. So I will come over here and I will write, I will open the new tab. I will write happy emoji PNG. It comes in suggestion. So let me take this happy emoji as PNG. You can select your emoji. I just click on it, right click on it and click do save image as. So I'm just putting the name as happy and I'll save this. I will come to Inventor and I will go to upload file, go to select file, and from my computer, I will take this happy emoji and I click OK. But this I need to put on happy button. So in happy properties of the button, I have the image. I'll click on happy image and just do OK. I can see that the happy picture is coming over here. Now I will come to the next tab and I will write said emoji. Let me check if this is coming. Yeah, it's coming. Okay. So for sad emoji, I can see a lot of sad picture. I will take this one. Oh my God. It seems to be so sad. So I'll just save image as sad and I'm just taking this. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll tell you that this is WebPG file and we can't take WebPG. We can take even only PNG one. Okay. So just take PNG one. Let me see. This is again a WebPG. I guess this will be the PNG. Yeah, this is the PNG. So I'm taking PNG file. Okay, so make sure you will take JPG or PNG. Don't take WebPG because it won't work in your App Inventor when you do upload. So I'm again taking my picture that I took, said emoji picture. I'll just open it and click OK. So for this, I need to make changes with the sad picture. I will go to image and take the sad. Everyone, if it seems too fast for you, you can simply pause the video, do one step, and then you can continue. Okay. And for the angry one, you will come over here and again I will write angry. Angry emoji. Okay, so I'll just make a search for angry. So I will take angry this one. Let's see if it is a PNG file. Yeah, it is JPEG file. Okay, JPEG. So this will work. So I'm just writing angry and save. So I'll come over here and I'll go to upload here and I took angry. So for angry, I will go to image. This is angry. I click OK. So I took three things. One is happy, one is sad, one is angry. What next? I'll take label, label, and label. This label I'm taking for making a space. Okay. So I am just go to label 2 and I'm doing nothing. I'll just make a width of label 2 as 100. Label 3 width as 100 again. And label 4 width as 100. So for label 2, I will remove the text. Label 3, I'm removing the text. Label 4, I'm again removing the text. Okay, this is making just a space. And now the next part is I will take again a label. This one, and this one. And this is for the marks. So I will rename it as happy points. I'll click OK. And for this, I will give the height and width 100 and 100. And then I will remove this and I will write 0. Font should be bigger. I'll write 35. Font should be bold. And if I go to horizontal arrangement, everything should be centered. Okay. And it's a height, it's a text. Alignment should be center. So I put this alignment to be the center. Height is 100. And if I make font size as 25, let's see. 25 is very small. I'll make it 45 even. That seems cool. Okay. The same thing I will do for label 6. It is said points. Okay, said points. You will rename it as the font should be 40. Font will be bold. I will remove this, write 0. Height will be 100 and width again will be 100. This arrangement should be center. Let me see what is the font size. Font size 45 it was. So okay, here also you will write 45. Actually, you need to write the same one, na? So it will be good. And this is angry. Angry points. Angry points. I'm just removing it. Height, I will write 100. Width, I will write 100. And font size will be 45. Font should be bold. Text should be 0. And it should be centered. Okay, so your design of the application is done, and whatever the design you did, it is coming in this section. Okay, in all component section. Now, after the design part, what is the next part you need to do? So for the next part, you will come to the block section. In the blog section, you will come to happy. And if you are happy, when you click on happy, what I want is that the text of the label is going to change. So happy points, you will go and take this green color block. So set happy points text. Now what you are going to set? The text should be +1. Okay. So first I will go to variable and I will make one variable, set name of the variable, and I will go to I'll make my variable 0 and this will be points for me. Okay. So initially the points are 0, and what I'm doing is when I click on happy, then the happy point text will be changed, and it's going to change with the math. So I will take this and I will go to variable. So I will take set global points to match, and you will take this +1, get global points +1. Okay, so every time whatever you are taking, it will be adding the global points to 1. So when click on happy, global points will be global points +1, and here you will simply take global points. So when happy points dot text means the text will change to global points, and when you click, then the global points will +1. First thing, I will open my MIT App Inventor and I will simply check this one. So let me open MIT first. Scan QR. I told you last time you have MIT App Inventor application. Okay, you need to download it from App Store. When I click on happy, then yeah, this works. I don't know how you all can see that, but it is working like this way. Okay, at the end, I'll share my mobile screen and I'll let you know how it's working. Okay, so it works absolutely fine. Like when I click on happy emotion, whenever the points are increasing. Uh, okay, so what will happen? You can all do. Uh, 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 mm, 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 mm. You can all do like there is your happy face. When you click on happy face, the point increase by 1. Again, you click, point will be 2. Again, you click, point will be 3. Okay, the same thing we are going to do for all the labels. So for sad, you will do the same thing. But for this, what I'm going to do, I'll do duplicate because it's almost the same thing. It's just here I will do sad, and instead of happy points, it should be sad points, and it's increasing. And again, I'll do duplicate, and instead of sad, it should be angry, and this should be angry point. Okay, the application is done, and when you click on this, then something is going to happen, means the points are going to change. Okay, so let's see, let's come on designer part. You can even do make more changes. When you click on happy, it will say, oh, I'm happy, oh, I'm sad, oh, I'm angry. Okay, so you can make changes accordingly. And let me see how I can join. uh via phone, because in live, you can't join other meeting. Let me check once, if I can. So, okay. Yes. This meeting is being live streamed. Okay. Just wait, let me show you. No audio. Stay composed. So I'm going to share my app where it's open. Let me connect it again. AI companion. Okay, just wait, cancel. Let me do reset connect. This is MIT App Inventor. Hard reset. Okay, it's not going away. Chalo, I'm just checking it out, but close project. Okay, got it. Now let me share this screen. Let me stop this one. Just give me 1 minute, huh? Screen. Start. Okay. So as you all can see that this is what the MIT App Inventor I opened, and what I'm going to do is I will simply scan the QR. So this is what I'm scanning. So once it is done, the application looks like this way. Okay. And here, when I click on sad, suppose I'm sad, when I click on it, so it increased the number by 1. When I click on angry, I'm angry. I'm happy. Okay. Okay, there is something different because we need to make different variables and we made same variables. Okay, so I'm just stop sharing it and we need to do some correction in it. Let me share my screen. So what correction we need to do is that, let me pin this video. Okay. So the correction is I will come to the block section and here I'll do duplicate. The points 2, points 3. The points 2 is my second variable. That's going to change. Points 3 is my third variable. That's going to change. Okay. We made 3 variables for 3 different things. And abhi, I'm just coming to connect AI companion. Let me scan again. Okay, I'll do hard reset and then I will do AI companion. Why this camera is not coming? Refresh companion screen. Reset connection. AI companion. Okay, I'll scan it. I did scan. I do stop share. And let me share my screen to video all. Screen. Okay. So when I click on this, it changes. When I click on this, it changes for one time. When I click on this, it changes for one time, right? Because I made the different variable. So let's see my mood. My mood is happy, 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 happy because we have done with the application. So I'm 16 times happy and I'm little sad. Okay, fine. I'm not sad by the way. It's just for testing. Angry. Ooh, because I'm a instructor. I'm angry. Ooh. No, I'm not angry. I'm so happy. So see, when I click on it, my happy amount is increasing a lot. So, everyone, this is it. And this is about your application you made today. And keep on making. It's very interesting. Even you can do modification with the changes of the screen of the application. We will meet you in the next session.